Liam, why is Theatr Clwyd supporting the People Don't Have a Best Before Date campaign?
Theatr Clwyd is supporting the People Don't Have a Best Before Date campaign because it's incredibly important for any organisation in any sector to value experience. As a theatre industry, we're constantly striving for new audiences, new product, but if we don't have the experience across the organisation, we're not going to hand it on to the next generation. It's extremely important to Theatr Clwyd to have an experienced workforce. There's one chap who's been working here for 40 years, of the 41 years the company's been in existence, and he has a wealth of knowledge that he's built up throughout his time at the organisation that he hands on to us daily. So we've got some apprentices that are learning from him in the roles that he had originally. And without that, we're never going to progress. We're never going to have those skills, those trades, those crafts that we need as a producing house. Older workers bring a lot of experience to Theatr Clwyd, as I said before, and a passion built through many years of supporting this organisation. And that's a passion that we come in as maybe kind of younger staff members, newer staff members, and we want to change this and that and this and that, and they can give us the guidance of what's worked before. I wouldn't say it's a worry to me that in 6 years' time over a third of the workforce are over 50. I think what should always be in the forefront of our minds as employers, as big organisations in any sector, is to ensure that the workers over 50 are valued and that they continue to pass on their skills to the younger workforce. We need to support people of all ages to work in all sectors. So I don't think that feels like a concern to me. What advice do I have for other businesses? Whatever age your workforce, to value them. I think it's, if you look after the people that work for you, you will be more productive and you will achieve more. I think that goes without saying. Use the experience when it's there.